We know that influencers are replacing some of the traditional distribution channels. What is it that attracts influencers to you
Certainly.
and Curate?
When I started this influential investing program, I saw the direction that the influencer economy was going. And that is, these influencers were seeking out equity opportunities. And certainly they would be approached about investing in individual startups here and there, but really that's not their forte. Finding and vetting and monitoring various investments, that's not where they want to spend their time or what they're best at. And so our value proposition to an influencer is invest your money with us, allow us to do what we're good at, and you can stick to what you're good at. And that is, you're a phenomenal social seller. You know how to sell products on the internet. So we will invest in companies, and then you can help us promote those companies. So
Fascinating, because
really
they know
is.
what they like, but they don't do the due diligence that you do, which is really what determines the ultimate success.
That's right. And so as a fund manager, I've developed two hats, if you will. As a fund manager, I think of developing a diversified portfolio of companies, but then I also think about developing a diversified roster of influencers. And so as we make our investments, I want to have influencers that span different product categories, different age ranges, different price points, because not every influencer can sell everything, but we want to have someone that's appropriate for each company that we invest in.
And I think it's fair to say that influencing is still a cottage industry, but what you're doing is taking it to another level.
Certainly.
Entirely, and that's exciting.
The industry itself has evolved a lot over the last decade or so, and believe it or not, has become very data-driven. And so we can prove exactly how much power these influencers have. So it is not like the Wild West days where companies were throwing marketing dollars at the wall to see what stuck in terms of their influencer spending. But now it's very explicit and measured. Yes.
Okay. Fascinating. And so there's a natural symbiotic relationship between what you're doing and what they can provide you.
So what we're doing when we invest is helping to lower the customer acquisition cost for the companies in which we invest.
That is major, because
really
they're able to
is.
jump up that ladder much more quickly and efficiently.
Yes, indeed.
Fantastic.